Do you agree that sewing becomes an absolute passion? It's almost like a form of creative addiction. This video is to show you of some of the garments, the outfits and the designs that I've made from my pattern collection, which I will leave the link down below. I hope you're enjoying all these creative designs from my collection, and remember, you can change the look by creating the different types of colors, different prints and fabrics that are suited to particular designs of the patterns, bringing out your own authentic self. If this kind of resonates with you, think about sewing, turning it into a business, then how about giving me some love and press the like and share button, as well as the subscribe button down below. Oh, and don't forget, please leave some comments down below so I can engage with you. Dressing sends out so many messages about you. What are your messages? Are you telling the world that you're confident, that you have a fine eye for detail, you take pride in what you wear and what you do, and that actually shows in all areas of your life? That you make an effort, that you present yourself, the way that you carry yourself, it all comes through in your styling and your clothing. And these are things that you can bring into your own designs as you're creating your own wardrobe, or this selling concept that you can actually use to sell to your clients. And they know if you make them look absolutely confident and beautiful and radiant, and if their mindset even changes, it's almost like their whole vibration and their energy about themselves just uplifts. The garments that you make for them, obviously tweaking it and adjusting the patterns to fit your client's body proportions and body shapes and styles, making sure the hemlines fit them correctly in their body proportions, the styles and designs suit them. And these are things that you need to research to understand your own body shape, your own style and identity, as well as for clients. And before you know it, besides just creating your wardrobe, you want to take this one step further and perhaps turn this into a business. Some of the photos I took while I was on holiday in Greece, which was my reward to myself as an entrepreneur for accomplishing my amazing Masterclass course, which is to help you to get absolute confidence, clarity, the courage, and the direction to create the career you want as an entrepreneur, for fashion designers and qualified seamstresses that are taking this idea of their sewing, their skills, their knowledge, their passion for sewing to a step further and turning it into a business. Oh, before I forget, I do have an affiliate program with all my pattern collections and my courses. I'll leave the link down below. I would love to pay you to generate more income to add these products to your website and into your business, that you can grow your business, have much more to offer to your clients as well as for yourself. Styling your wardrobe is about styling you. Style is an extension of your personality. So make it work. Wear the right colors, the right prints, the right accessories that absolutely make you radiate, because you never know who you're going to meet and who's going to be connected with you, perhaps want to collaborate with you or wants to do business with you or get to know you or give you some kind of promotion, or or just growing your business because people are picking up your energy and seeing how amazing you look, and you've got something about you that they're attracted to, and they want to look and feel the way that you do. And by your designs, they're probably going to feel the exactly same way, because you identify and understand your clients, because you understand the element of design. If you need more clarity to turn your sewing and designing into a business, and you're not sure how to start it, you're not sure which direction to go, what product or service to offer, and to get your mindset with absolute confidence and the courage to take that step of clarity and direction to start your own career as an entrepreneur, then check out my masterclass course. I'll leave the link down below. My name is Tania Sutherland, and thank you so much for watching my video. It's all about enhancing your skills for your sewing, and also turn your sewing and designing into a business.